I am making sangria. Ideally, you should make it ahead of time. Basically, want a nice bottle of red wine, Spanish, if you can get Spanish wine. Something a little dry and crisp, not too big and bold. So kind of on the younger side.
You can't be dry and crisp, honey.
Can't you be dry and crisp?
Whatever, just get a bottle of Rioja.
Get a bottle of Rioja. That'll solve the problem. And you add a little bit of Cointreau or Curacao or Grand Marnier or something like an orange liqueur kind of vibe. And I'm going to add, there's a trick we learned from our friend José Andrés.
José Andrés, Chef Andrés likes to add a little port instead of sugar
port
to his sangria.
Kind of sweetens it up. And then we're adding brandy.
Oh, that's the brandy that we got from Curtis.
This is 50s
That's
brandy.
50s brandy. Thank you, Curtis.
And then
You're the patron saint of our cocktails these days.
you can't have sangria without fruit.
And you like apples and oranges, right?
Apples and oranges. It's going to overflow. Look at that go. All over the counter.
Oh!
Our pitcher is too small.
Your pitcher runneth over.
That's good luck in certain cultures.
Aren't you glad you made sangria? That was terrible.
Ooh.
I know, it was terrible. I know.
So then normally you let that set and kind of all the flavors can combine for a few hours. But we're thirsty, so heck.
Well, we want to show people how pretty it is.
We want to show you how pretty it is.
Right.
And Rachel loves things that are bubbly. So very not classic, but we're kind of gonna put a little club soda on
Sangria
there to
spritzer.
make a sangria spritzer to lighten it up a bit. But you don't have to do that if you don't want. And then of course you could garnish it with a little bit of the extra fruit you may or may not have lying around. And there is.
Honey, that was a cold mess.
This is called my.
But he did it.
This is my counter sangria because it spilled all over the counter.
I want this one.
This one more fuller. Cheers.
Cheers, big ears.
Cheers, everybody.